Welcome to PPK Pharma tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about important 2 marks questions from the subject physical pharmacy. Okay, today we are going to discuss about it's somewhat lengthy video, but it contains all the important 2 marks questions. Okay, question and answer is available, and subscribe our channel PPK Pharma tutorial and share this video to your friends. Now we will go to the inside the video. That is, the first question is, what is sublimation? Give example. Sublimation is the process of conversion of a solid substance directly from the solid to gaseous state without melting is known as sublimation. Example, iodine and camphor, which means sublimation is solid substance directly converts into gaseous state without forming liquid state. Okay, this is the sublimation. Next, define relative humidity. Write its formula. Relative humidity is defined as the ratio of amount of water vapor in the air at a temperature to the maximum amount that the air could hold the temperature, expressed as percentage. Well, that means it's a ratio of actual water vapor pressure divided by saturated vapor pressure is the formula of relative humidity. Next, what is plane polarized light? When a light is allowed to pass through a polarizing prism with high vibration in only one plane are only transmitted such a beam of light known as plane polarized light. Means when we pass a light through polarizing prism with high vibration occurs in only one plane, only transmitted such a beam of light. It is known as plane polarized light. Next, formula for optical rotation and liquids. First, specific rotation is equal to observed rotation divided by length, that equal to dm into density gram per kilometer cube. For liquids, alpha d is equal to alpha divided by 1 to d25. Here alpha is equal to corrected rotation at 25 degrees Celsius. Next, C is equal to concentration of substance, L equal to length of polarimeter tube, and D is equal to specific gravity of a liquid. The next one is, what is ORT, which is known as optically rotatory dispersion. It is defined as the variation in the optical rotation is a change in the wavelength of light is called ORD. Means it is defined as variation in the optical rotation is a change in the wavelength. Okay, this is the ORD. Write any applications of optical rotation. Optical rotation is used for identifying substance which is optically active or inactive. Next, purity of substance can be measured, and concentration of substance dissolved in a solvent can be determined. Okay, next, define and write the formula of refractive index and give example. Refractive index of a liquid states that refractive index of a liquid as a constant ratio between the sine of the angle of the incidence and that of the refraction, which is refractive index equal to sine I divided by sine R. It is also known as C by V. Means C is the velocity of light in vacuum and V is the velocity of light in medium. Here is the refractive index values of methyl acetate and trimethyl glycol. For methyl acetate, 1.3652 to 1.3625. For trimethyl glycol, 1.4550 to 1.4570. Next, another one is define dipole moment. Write its formula and example. Dipole moment is defined as the vector equal in magnitude of the product of change and into distance having the direction of line joining the positive and negative centers. Simply we can say dipole moment is equal to distance into charge, which means R into C. M equal. For benzene, dipole moment is equal to 0 and ethanol equal to 1.19. Define dielectric constant, write its formula and explain. Examples. Dipole moment is defined as the vector in magnitude of the product of charge and into distance and having the direction of the line joining. Okay, this is the dielectric constant. Next, Next question is define dielectric constant, write its formula and example. Dielectric constant is a physiochemical property of solvent relating to opposite regions in the solvent as compared with the energy required to separate the same in vacuum. E is equal to Cx by Co. For example, water dielectric constant is 32.60, for benzene 2.27. Okay. Next, write the two applications of dipole constant and dielectric constant and dipole moment. For dielectric constant, polarity scales is used for the measuring the polarity of solvent. Okay, and also solubilization of drug through dielectric constant. We can see the solubilization of drug. Solvent with dielectric constant dissolves ionic compounds more rapidly, higher than the magnitude of dielectric constant. The greater the solvation energy of the solvent, hence greater is the solubility. Next, applications of dipole moment. Solubilization of drug like solute into solvent is increased solubility due to permanent dipole of water strongly interact with the solute. And also we can see the crystalline nature of the drug. Ice crystals are organized through dipole forces. Next, what is Abbes refractometer? Draw a neat label diagram of it. Abbes refractometer is a quick and convenient instrument. It is available for the determination of refractive index. Means this refractometer is useful for the determination of refractive index. Here you can see the images, construction and parts of Abbes refractometer. Here you have prism A, prism B, water jacket, magnifying lens. Now another one important question is, and also we need to write the diagram of polarimeter. Okay. Next, what are the states of matter? Matter is a substance which occupies spaces and possesses rest mass, especially as distinct from energy. For solid, tablets, capsules. For liquids, oral syrups, emulsions, and gases, aerosols. Next, represent the equilibrium in states of matter. For that, we need to draw a graph which contains x-axis and y-axis. On y-axis, we took pressure, and x-axis is known as temperature. Here we need to draw three lines. Here we have sublimation, melting, and also critical point. Next, what are adhesive forces? It is defined as the attraction between unlike molecules, like solute solvent molecules are attracted, then it shows adhesive process. Cohesive process forces is defined as the attraction between like molecules, like solute or solvent molecules. Write a short note on solute-solvent interaction. The attraction between solute-solvent interaction, as I said before, it is known as adhesive forces because they both are unlike molecules. The solubility of solute in a solvent or miscibility of liquid in some another liquid is generally enhanced by polar solvents like water and semipolar solvents like acetone alcohol and non-polar solvents like benzene and diethyl ether. Next, it's very important, Raoult's law. Define Raoult's law and write its formula. Raoult's law states that partial vapor pressure of a volatile constituent are equal to the vapor pressure of pure constituent, and it also multiplies with mole fraction. Here is the formula. Pressure of liquid is equal to vapor pressure of pure liquid into mole fraction of the liquid. Next one, define eutectic mixture with example. What are eutectic mixture? It is defined as the mixture of two or more components which usually do not interact to form a new chemical compound. Means mixing of two or more compounds which is usually do not interact, like NaOH and water. What are the factors affecting the solubility of the drugs? These are the factors like temperature, exception, and pressure. The higher the temperature of the solvent, the greater will be the solubility. Higher temperature, greater will be solubility. Exception: gaseous solvents dissolve less in hotter liquid solvents than in cold liquid solvents. Okay, as we said before, higher temperature, higher with the solubility, but the solvents which are in gaseous in nature, they will be greatly soluble in cold liquids. This is one of the exemption. Next, pressure. Pressure do not affect the solubility of the most solutes. Right? What are partially miscible liquids? A pair of liquids is considered as partially miscible if there is a set of composition over which the liquid will form a two phases liquid system. The pair of liquids where one is polar and another one is non-polar. The 22nd question is define distribution law, write its applications. Distribution law states that solute gets distributed between two layers of immiscible solvents in such a way that the ratio of its concentration in which solvents become equal to the ratio of its solubility. This is the distribution law. Next, applications. Solubility of a solute can be measured through distribution law, and also one substance can be extracted from the solution containing various substances. Next, used in high performance liquid chromatography. Define dissociation constant, write its applications. Next question is, it is a dissociation constant is a specific type of equilibrium constant which measures the propensity of a large objects to separate reversibly into smaller compounds as when complex falls apart into the component molecules. Applications. A small dissociation constant indicates the more tightly bound the ligand. In protein, ligand binding the dissociation constant describes the affinity between a protein and a ligand. What are ideal solubility? Explain its parameters. The solubility parameter is a numerical value that indicates the relative solvency behavior of a specific solvent derived from the cohesive energy density of the solvent, which in turn is derived from the heat of vaporization. Define polymorphism. The phenomena where compound exists in more than one crystalline or amorphous form is known as polymorphism. What is colligative property? It is a physical property that depends on the number of molecules present in the solution. Okay. Next, write about solubility of gases in liquids. The solubility of gases in liquids represents the concentration dissolved gases in the liquid when it is in the equilibrium with some of the pure gas above the solution. Write about solubilities of liquids in liquids. The solution containing a liquid dissolved in another liquid that which include hydroalcoholic solutions and aromatic water such as chloroform, and some medicated oils contains two or more miscible oils. What is or define ideal and real solutions? Ideal solutions are those which obeys the Rowlett's law over the whole range of composition at all temperatures, in which mixture containing homologous series at low temperature it behaves as ideal solution. Means, okay. Next, what are the factors affecting the solubility of gases in liquids? These are the factors which affect the solubility of gases in liquids, like effect of pressure, temperature, electrolytes and non-electrolytes, and also chemical reactions. The 31st question is define critical solution temperature, also known as CST. What is CST? The mutual solubilities of the two conjugate liquid phases increases with temperature at a temperature is called, at a particular temperature is called CST, critical solution temperature. Next, define lower consolute temperature, LST. The mutual solubilities of two conjugate liquid phases decreases with temperature. At the particular temperature, the solubilities will be decreased. No, that temperature where solubilities will be decreased is known as lower consolute temperature. Okay. Next, define viscosity. Give example. Viscosity is an important physicochemical property of a liquid. It is an index for resistance to flow of liquid. With higher the viscosity of liquid, greater the resistance to flow. The flow property of liquid is expressed in terms of viscosity. Like groundnut oil, honey is a high viscosity. Next, what is Ostwald dilution law? It states that the degree of ionization changes with dilution. In order to maintain a constant value of ionization constant, K alpha is equal to alpha square by V into 1 minus alpha. Next, define equilibrium. It may be defined as the balance between two opposing forces or reactions at a equilibrium constant of products and reactants remain constant at that particular phase is known as equilibrium. Next, what are the methods of determination of dissociation constant? Dissociation constant can be determined by conductive method, solubility method, potentiometric method, and spectrophotometric method. This is the overall 2 marks important questions of 2 lessons, first unit and second unit of physical pharmacy. If you like this video, please click on like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to comment your view. Okay, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video up to last. Bharat Mata ki Jai.